All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to show you how to flip this text around. And that's going to be different than rotating it. I'll show you real quickly. We're going to rotate this 90 degrees, right? Boom. Hold shift and it'll lock it 90 degrees. But this is not what we're going to do. We're going to take this up here, and we're going to do what's called reflect. And we're going to go over here to the rotate tool, click and hold. You'll see this reflect tool. You can also get it by pressing O on your keyboard, and then double click on it. And now this is a vertical reflection. See, you can see the little symbol here. It's using its vertical axis. Now, if I go horizontal, see that? Now it kind of flipped it upside down, like it toppled over. So hit OK, and you see that it's not 90 degrees like this one. You know, if I rotate this guy back 90 degrees, we got that. If I do it here, not looking good. So I mean, it's still backwards, but yeah. So that is reflect in Adobe Illustrator. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.